Hi guys, here is how you can change WordPress username and password. So this is our demo site. Let's log in to its dashboard, wp-admin. We are currently using the username demo. So we are on the dashboard. Let's go to users. So here are two users. Let's change the username and password for the test user. Click on Edit. It is very easy to change the password. Scroll down and on New Password, click on Set New Password and write any password you want and update user. So the password will be changed. However, if you want to change the username, it is not possible from the dashboard. You can either change it via database or use some codes. We will use some codes. For that, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Let me open it in the New tab. Click on Theme Functions. Scroll down. So we will add some codes here. Here is the code. Here, you only need to change the user ID and the new username you want. To find the user ID, go to the profile, and on URL you can see the user ID, which is 5. Write the user ID and give the new username as you want. Now copy the code and paste it to Theme Functions. Update file. This is done. Now let's refresh this. So you can see the username has changed. So this username has been changed. You can also change this username. This user is actually logged in, as you can see. We can use the same code. Let's find the user ID. If you cannot see any user ID on the URL, you can simply use one. Let me write one here. Now let's give it a new username. It is done. And update file. Since it is a logged-in user, you will be logged out. Now log in with the new username and old password. And again, to change the password, simply set new password from here. By the way, you can also delete the earlier code we added after the changes. Thank you very much.